Hello, my dear friends. The postpartum period can be very challenging and exhausting for many mothers, especially when the bleeding lasts longer than expected. Today, I want to show you 3 natural supportive methods that may help reduce the duration of postpartum bleeding. Use them when your doctor or midwife has confirmed that the uterus is contracted properly, the placenta and any remaining tissues have been completely expelled, and the bleeding is within the normal postpartum range. These methods do not replace medical treatments or prescriptions given by your doctor. However, they have been used as supportive practices and have helped many women reduce prolonged postpartum bleeding, regain strength, and recover lost energy. They may be helpful for you as well. If you have any medical condition or are taking any medications, consult your doctor before using these remedies. Now let's start with traditional fried eggs. You need these: butter suitable for frying, 2 eggs, preferably fresh or farm eggs, and plain plantain seeds. For 3 mornings, you can have this as your breakfast. First, melt the butter in a pan. Butter helps support the mother's overall strength. It is a natural source of healthy fats and vitamins A, D, E, and K, which are essential for tissue repair, postpartum recovery, and energy production. After childbirth, the uterus needs to contract and shrink back to its normal size. These natural contractions require energy, healthy fats, and vitamins. Butter supports this process. Severe weakness after delivery can lead to poor uterine contractions, which may prolong bleeding. By preventing weakness, butter indirectly helps shorten the duration of postpartum bleeding. Once the butter has melted, crack 2 eggs into the pan. Eggs help repair the body and the uterus because they are an excellent source of complete protein. They support wound healing, muscle repair, and faster tissue recovery. A stronger body leads to better uterine contractions, which helps reduce prolonged bleeding. Eggs also support blood rebuilding, as they contain iron, vitamin B12, and choline, which help compensate for blood loss. Their healthy fat and protein content also support breastfeeding, and the choline is beneficial for the baby's brain development. Add salt and pepper as much as you like. When the eggs are almost fully cooked, sprinkle 1 teaspoon, about half a dessert spoon, of plain plantain seeds over them. Plantain seeds have some contraindications, including severe or chronic constipation, kidney stones, intestinal blockage, or narrowing of the digestive tract. Plantain seeds contain tannins, which have a mild astringent effect. They help gently tighten superficial uterine tissues and reduce leakage from small blood vessels. This can help control light spotting and mild postpartum bleeding, especially bleeding caused by insufficient uterine contraction. They also provide small amounts of protein and simple carbohydrates, offering gentle energy for tissue repair and uterine contraction without putting extra pressure on the body. Your meal is now ready. You can eat it with bread. The second food I want to show you is a traditional porridge. For one bowl, you will need 1 tablespoon sifted wheat flour, 2 to 3 tablespoons butter suitable for frying, 2 pieces of rock sugar, 1/4 dessert spoon turmeric, and 2 cups water. It is simple and quick to prepare. Place the water and rock sugar in a small pot. Based on traditional medicine, rock sugar has been used in small amounts during recovery periods, including after childbirth, mainly to support digestion and overall strength. It may help improve digestive comfort, especially when the digestive system feels weak after childbirth. Rock sugar may help the body absorb nutrients more effectively when combined with other foods or remedies. It is a simple source of energy and may help reduce weakness and fatigue during recovery periods. Let it boil until the sugar dissolves. At the same time, melt the butter in another small pot or pan. Add the sifted flour and lightly toast it. Based on traditional medicine, wheat flour is a nourishing and mildly astringent food that may support the reduction of mild discharge or light bleeding. Wheat flour is a source of carbohydrates and can help restore energy and reduce weakness. This overall support may help the body recover more effectively. Now add the turmeric. Turmeric is anti-inflammatory and supports tissue repair. It helps reduce postpartum uterine inflammation and supports healing at the placental attachment site. Chronic inflammation can prolong bleeding, and turmeric helps reduce this inflammation. Turmeric is not recommended for people using blood-thinning medications, those with bleeding disorders, gallstones or bile duct obstruction, kidney stones, or active gastrointestinal problems. Slowly add the sweetened water to the butter and flour mixture. First add half of it, stirring well so the flour dissolves smoothly and does not form lumps. Now add the rest of the sweetened water. Let it cook on low heat for about 10 minutes. Stir it every few minutes. You can prepare and eat this once or twice a day for up to 5 days, depending on your body's needs. After about 10 minutes, it is ready. It is best consumed warm. The third method uses plain plantain seeds. Pour 1 glass of water into a small pot. Add 1 teaspoon of plain plantain seeds to the water. Let it boil on low heat for 10 minutes. You can use this method once a day, up to 5 days. If you use this method daily, do not eat fried eggs with plantain seeds during this time. You can ask your questions in the comments or by email. Please let me know what you would like the next video to be about. Now it is ready. Remember, these remedies will help improve your condition, but true healing comes from the soul. Try to gradually and slowly add these activities to your daily routine.